Krishna told Arjuna, "Look, do you know why?" He said only that positioning the chariot before Bhishma, Dronacharya, and all the assembled kings, Lord Krishna said to Arjuna, "O Partha, behold these Kurus gathered here for battle." Krishna did not immediately tell Arjuna to fight. First, he showed Arjuna exactly whom he was about to fight because without facing reality, we cannot determine what is right. Sometimes God does not remove our problems immediately. Instead, He gives us the courage to face them. The moment you face the truth in life, true wisdom begins.